So I guess we have Ultraman Raiya now. We start off on Iota with Koto giving Kiki a chance to take a break, so she decides to treat her to some Katsudon. However, she soon notices an Emorgear and a ghost girl on her night out, and it kidnaps her. And with Kiki missing, Koto goes out looking for her, but instead runs into Raiya, who is looking for a medical herb. And since she has zero leads, she asks Raiya for help in exchange for whatever this herb is. Either way, turns out this isn't some ghost girl. Instead, Reiko is just a whole other species that can take over people. And I'm gonna say it, this is what I love about Luminous's Earth. Actual world building. This Earth actually feels like it's lived in, unlike the other 3 planets we've been on. But speaking of being alive, Koto finds Kiki on the camera, sending the two to find her. And don't think I missed this Jiraiya reference here, which was low-key hilarious. Either way, Reiko wants to meet a waiter that she fell for on the last time she was on Earth. However, he doesn't remember her or even see her, which fuels the negative Emorgear, sending Team Infinity and Raiya out. And remember my rant about world building? Yeah, just add more fuel to the fire because apparently Reiko's planet has a different orbit that is equal to 100 years on Earth. Now I gotta admit, the fight on the ground this episode was kinda ass. But where it does shine is building Kiki and Koto's bond even more. Koto knows that the way to break the Emorgear wall is to basically spark curiosity in Kiki's brain, which then would send positive Emorgear. And that leads us to Ultraman Raiya, who sparks that curiosity and breaks the wall, freeing her. Now the way that they take down these Emons is pretty funny, not gonna lie. Just sucking them up and blasting them in space. Either way, Reiko's story does get a happy ending, with the waiter never forgetting about her and even writing down the recipe so she can enjoy it again. Oh, and Raiya gets that herb that he was looking for. It was just a mint. Either way, hopefully we can get out of this filler shell we've been in and get to some actual plot next episode.